Hi everyone, welcome to day 11. You're almost there. Today we are going to be working on a full body stretch, so it's going to be a bit longer than the last few days, and we're going to try to incorporate most of what we've done up until this time. We're just doing this so that we can feel more vibrant, feel renewed, and of course just more in balance. So let's go ahead and find our feet planted nice and firmly into the earth, knees on top of the ankle. Always engage that belly so that you feel nice and secure. The lower back's nice and nicely supported. The shoulders are on top of the waist and the crown of the head is lifted. Let's start with a nice, beautiful cleansing breath with your eyes gently closed. We're going to inhale through the nose, and I want you to breathe out through the mouth with a big, exhausted sigh. Again, breathing in and breathe out through the mouth. Can you make an audible sigh? In Chinese medicine, we say that if we can release that energy with an audible sigh, we're kind of cleansing our liver. So go ahead, breathe in through the nose, and let's breathe out through the mouth with an audible sigh. Let's do two more. Breathing in. Can you be really obnoxious about your next sigh? I'm going to show you. Breathing in. Did you get it all out? Good. Let's open up our eyes if they were already closed. Still feeling rooted into the ground. Let's go ahead and take our arms all the way up. Big breath in. Exhale, breathe out. Does everybody remember that as we take our energy and this arms out to the side, we're grasping onto what the universe has to offer. We're bringing it close to our body, close to our hearts. Again, breathing in, arms up. Exhale, breathe out. And if you're doing this at the start of the day, it's a great way to start the intention, setting the day to make it a wonderful and amazing day. Taking all the universe has to offer and bring it close to our hearts and into our body. Let's do two more. Breathing in. Exhale, breathe out. Happy, wonderful, positive thoughts. In and out. Well done. Let's go ahead and open up the arms. Big breath here. And then let's go ahead and sway to the side. Breathe out. Good. Come on back up to center. And then go to the other side. Breathe out. Good. Come on back to center. And let's go ahead and release. Arms up. Breathe in. Hand to the heart, open up, breathe in, and exhale, release, okay? Again, breathing in, arms up, exhale, hands to the heart, inhale, open up, exhale, release the arms, relax the shoulders. One more time, breathing in, exhale, breathe out, inhale, open up, and then exhale down. Good. Let's take the arms all the way up, in, and then out. I want you to imagine you're breast stroking, opening up those fingertips and expand them. Okay, we're putting a little bit more chi and energy, that life force, in and out. Don't forget, as you lift the arms up, we're going to draw the belly in, expanding our lungs, opening up our spine, and then exhaling, softening a little bit. Okay, last one here. Breathing in and breathing out. Wonderful. Now, taking the arms to the sides, open the palms up to face me. I want you to take them out to the sides. Depending on how the shoulders feel, you may want to bend the arms. It's up to you. It's your practice, your yoga. With a nice tall spine lifted through the crown of the head, we're going to go ahead and sway to the left side. My right, your left. So your left. Good. Come on back to center. Now, if you can straighten those arms, even better, but it depends on how the body's feeling. Breathe out. Good. Tight belly, come on up. And let's release to the other side. Remember, we need to engage our bellies when we come up. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, let's go ahead and shake out the arms. Shake them out to the sides. Good. Shake them out to the front. Shake them all the way up. Shake, 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 shake. And then just give me a little like smackety smack here. And then smackety smack all the way down. Da, 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 da. Perfect. Let's go ahead and Squeeze those up, interlace those fingers, and go ahead and roll out the wrists. One way, and let's go the other way. And then show me your beautiful roller coaster, your moves, your dance floor moves, your chair moves, okay? And then see if you can go the opposite way. Ooh. Obviously this way is not as, my brain's like, I don't know if I would like this way, but we're gonna go this way too. Good. Whoosh. And then we're gonna lift all the way up, interlaced fingers are still interlaced. Draw the belly in. Ooh, breathe in, nice big stretch. And then I want you to round the back, press your knuckles to the front. Look what we're doing. We're doing a seated cat pose with a different modification of arms. So really reach. Don't forget to draw the chin to the chest. Good. Now lift all the way up, draw the belly in. Hands are gonna come behind the head. Imagine that you're on that nice, beautiful vacation. Of course, I'm in Canada, just north of Toronto. So you probably see in the back that there's lots of snow. Yep, cold, cold, cold. But I'm nice and cozy and warm inside. I'm warming up my body with chair yoga. So we're gonna open up, lift up the heart, and then come to neutral spine. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Elbows are still out. Breathe in here. Exhale, twist to the right. Come back to center. Twist to the left. You got it. Come back to center. Ooh, release the arms. Shake it out. Good. Go ahead and roll up the shoulders for 3, 2, and 1. Great. Now from here, we're gonna do sun salutation. So we've already learned that a couple days back. Do you remember how to do that? So plant the feet nice and firmly into the ground. Engage your belly. We're going to take the arms up. Touch. Breathe out. Hands are gonna come behind you. Rub, rub, rub into that lower back, those kidneys, right? Little warming up the kidneys. Beautiful. Now, give me a heart opener. Open up the chest. Breathe in here. Good. Now breathe out, pressing into the sides of the legs, the yang meridians here. Good. Tight belly. Press the feet into the earth. Come to flat back. Breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Now, tight belly. Press into those feet. Hands are going to come on the inside of the legs, the yin meridian here. Press, 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 press. And go ahead and roll the shoulders out. Whew. Let's do that again. Breathe in. Touch. Breathe out. Rub, rub, rub here. Heart opener. Breathe in. Breathe out. Exhale, exhale. Press into the sides of the legs. Next, come on up to flat back. Breathe in. Tight belly. Breathe out. Inhale. Hands on the inside of the legs. Come on up. Tight, tight belly. Support your spine. Breathe out. Okay, we're going to do one more, 3 times a chart. Breathe in. Touch. Tall spine. Breathe out. Rub, rub, rub here. Inhale. Exhale, press on the sides of the legs. Support your back. Tight belly, come on up to flat back. Tight, tight belly. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze here. Breathe out, come down. Inhale, hands on the inside of the legs. Breathe. In. And exhale, release. Breathe out. Well done. Arms up. And then hands down onto the thighs. Seated cow pose. Breathe in. Open up the chest. Stick that tail out. Exhale, cat. 2 more, please. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, breathing in. And breathing out. Good. Now let's work a little bit of the core before we do some twisting. So go ahead. You may take the hands onto the side of the chair. Reposition yourself if you feel comfortable. Hands on top of the thighs, your choice, or prepare yourself to take the arms up, okay? So we're gonna plant that right foot into the ground, knowing consciously that we're gonna engage our bellies and lift the other leg up, okay? So we're gonna breathe in and then breathe out, okay? I'm gonna start taking my arms up. So we're gonna inhale, pressing the right foot into the earth now, and then exhale. Other leg's gonna come up, okay? Inhale. Relax a little. Now engage, breathe out, tight belly, chest up. Good. Breathe in, breathing out. Good. In and out. Inhale, Exhale. You got it. Breathe in. Breathing out. In and out. Now we're going to extend. Breathing in. Extend that leg. Breathe out. In and out with the breath. Okay? Chest up. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. You got it. Tight belly. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. We're going to do one more on each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. In and out. You got it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Awesome. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Well done. Take your hands, keep them together, and let's sway to the side. Okay, working on our obliques here. Tight belly, press up, and sway. Relax here. Open up the intercostal spaces of the side of the body here. Good. That tight belly, press up. Good. And release. Breathe out. Arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Great. Let's go ahead and take our hands on top of the thighs. We're going to take our left hand to the outside of our left thigh. The other hand's going to come nice and close to our tailbone behind us, okay? Now, if you want to use or hold onto the chair, that's another option too. Whatever you do, we're not going to grind the sits bones into the chair. We're going to allow the hip to feel a little bit relaxed, and we're going to keep our chin over our sternum as best as we can. So I want you to lift and lengthen. Breathe in here, and then exhale, gently twist. So we're twisting over to the right side, okay? And as we do this, we're going to relax into the hips so we don't grind those sits bones into the earth. So we're being really good to our spines, but we're kind of opening up our upper thoracic spine here, okay? So inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. You got it. Good. Again, breathing in. Exhale, gently twist. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Now I want to encourage you. Let's go ahead and turn behind us, our head. Look behind that shoulder. And then exhale, go ahead and look onto the opposite shoulder. Breathe here. You got it. Keep on breathing. Relax the shoulders. I always love to close my eyes in these twists. Why? Because it helps me to deepen into my stretch, and it allows me to focus on where I'm feeling it most, which is mostly my neck and shoulders, which is where I have my injury. So we're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Relax here. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in. And on the exhalation, I want you to unwind the body. Breathe out. Whoosh. Okay, let's do the other side. So now we're going to take the other hand so that your right hand, my left, so your right hand's going to come onto the outside of the left thigh. And the other hand's going to plant nice and firmly behind you. Inhale, lift and lengthen up. And then exhale, gently twist. Let's try to keep the chin over the chest as best as we can. Breathing in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Okay. Ooh, this one's more stiff on my side for me. Notice how it feels for you. Breathing in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. I want to encourage you, look behind you, breathe in. And then exhale. Let's go ahead and look into the opposite shoulder. Go ahead and let the head just sway a little. And then breathe, relaxing the shoulders. 3 deep breaths here. Breathe in and out. Relax into the hips, soften the shoulders. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. And then breathe out. Okay, to come out of this pose, we're inhaling and then exhaling, unwinding. Well done. We're going to go ahead and roll out the shoulders for 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Before we close this practice, we're going to go ahead and turn our head to the right. Let's go ahead and turn to the left. Come back to center. Let's take our left ear to left shoulder. Take your hand on top of the head, just placing it, no retching or pulling, just allowing the weight of the hand to do a little extra oomph for you. That's Great. Release the hand. I want you to look down to that left hip. Take your hand to the back of your head. Notice how it gives a nice little extra oomph of a stretch. Don't put any tension on those shoulders, so relax here. You got it. Release the hand. Turn your head to the center, looking at your navel, and then inhale, look up. Yay, you did it. Okay, let's do the other side. Let's go to the right ear to right shoulder. Now, out of all of the yoga poses, this is probably the hardest stuff for me. Take the hand on top of the head. So if you are suffering like me from arthritis in the neck, yes, I have arthritis in the neck. We go slow, we take deep breaths, and we don't do any pulling or retching. We just are very gentle with ourselves. Great. So we're gonna release the hand. Let's go ahead and look to our hip. Take the hand to the back of the head. Again, we're just gently placing the hand on top to the back of the head. We're not pulling, we're not grasping anything. We're just softening and relaxing, breathing. Great, we're gonna release the hand down, roll the head into center, and then inhale, look up. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Let's go ahead and look up to the sky gently. And then come back to center. Now the last little bit I'd like to do here is just do a little tap onto the top of the shoulder. Nice job. You can say to yourself, nice job. Okay? And we're gonna tap down to the outer side of the arm. Very familiar with this. Turn the palm inside the arm. Tap, tap, tap. Come across the chest. Tap, tap, tap on the top of the shoulder. Well done. Tell yourself well done. And then tap, tap, tap on the outer end, the yang meridian. Tap on the inner side, the yin meridian. Come back to center and just tap right underneath the collarbones. Breathe here. Well done, everyone. That was day 11. You're almost there. I'm so proud of you, and you really should be proud of yourselves. Let's take our hands to the heart. That was so good, everyone. Let's go ahead. Thank yourself for taking the time and doing something wonderful for your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 12. Peace. Namaste.